First on the agenda is the power stance. This pose radiates confidence and strength. Begin by planting your feet shoulder-width apart. Shift your weight to one foot, bending the other at the knee. Draw back your shoulders, elongating your neck. Angle your body slightly to the side, creating a slimming effect. Finally, place your hands on your hips, or let them hang freely. The power stance encapsulates assertiveness, making it a compelling choice for professional and personal shots alike. Next, let's explore the over-the-shoulder. This pose lends an air of mystery and allure. Start by turning your back to the camera. Look back over your shoulder, ensuring your face is in profile. Drop one shoulder slightly lower than the other. This pose is versatile, suitable for everything from beach shots to cityscape backdrops. Thirdly, we have the casual lean. It's a relaxed pose that suggests ease and comfort. Find a wall or a sturdy object to lean against. Cross your ankles and let one arm hang down while you lightly touch your hair or face with the other. The casual lean communicates a laid-back vibe, ideal for candid and casual shots. The fourth pose is the sitting pretty. This pose adds depth and interest to your photos. Find a seat and cross your legs at the ankle. Rest your hands on your knees and lean forward slightly. This pose is great for close-ups and full-body shots, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. Lastly, we have the laughing candid. This is a pose that captures the essence of joy and spontaneity. The key here is to laugh genuinely, letting your happiness shine through your eyes. The laughing candid is a fan favorite, perfect for capturing moments of genuine joy and celebration. In conclusion, mastering these 5 poses, the power stance, over the shoulder, casual lean, sitting pretty, and laughing candid, can dramatically enhance your social media presence. Each pose tells a unique story, setting the tone for your photo and drawing in your viewers. So go forth and strike a pose, for every photo is a chance to share a piece of your world, captivating your audience one snapshot at a time.